Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Just in case you forgot, because I know it's been a minute. So this is the release for January 2025 and I do just have three sets of dies, and I'm okay with that. So the very first set, which honestly I think might be my favorite, but let me tell you what this is. These are straw dangles. Okay, guys? Like the ones they sell for the Stanley Cups. Well, I thought I would make one for our swaps. I don't want to go into how many different ways you can use them, but oh my gosh, you can use them so many different ways. So let me show you. I was going to release these last month, and the month just got away from me. I was not able to do it. So you have your base piece, but then you also have a layering piece to go with it, so you could actually layer it. So let me show you what I have made. So I made one in pink and white, and of course they're going to fit on your straws like that. Oh, let me see where I'm at. Fit on your straws like that. And I don't have my cup with me with a straw, but there you go. You get the idea. So I made that one. That one has my daughter's name, Ruby. And then I had made a little snowman, and that one was glitter and white. And I did layer these up. You don't have to layer them up because they're pretty sturdy, even without layering them up. I layered the front, and on one of them, I think I layered up the back, but you don't, they're pretty sturdy. And then here is the last one that I made. This one is golden white. So these were a lot of fun, guys. I mean, it's a small set, but it's so much fun. I just had so much fun. I'm going to make some for Valentine's Day and and send those out. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. I really did. And they come together super quick. All you do is cut and glue. So these come together really, really quick. On this one, I did glue a pink bow. On this one, a snowflake. And I didn't do anything on this one just because I wanted you to see what it looks like without anything in the, in the middle there. So it would, go this way right here. So there you go. Those were so much fun. And again, those are the straw dangles. So much fun, guys. And then the next one that I have is a jelly tote mini album. So you can see it's got your holes here for your mini album, for your rings. And I will tell you guys, your base, you have three pieces. The largest one, which is plain, the next one has the stitching, and then the third one with your jelly tote. Now, your first two pieces do not have the holes included, but the only reason it doesn't have the holes included is because they had to have been made separate, and the cost would be astronomical if I had had them put the holes into the base pieces. But I will tell you, let me show you the crocodile. So the crocodile, the larger hole fits this hole perfect. Is it the larger or the smaller? It looks like the smaller, but yeah, it's the smaller one. Let me see. Yeah, it's the smaller. The smaller hole on the crocodile fits that hole perfect. I mean, it's perfect. And I'll show you in my example. But yeah, so this one comes with three pieces, and obviously it goes this way and you flip it over that way. And again, I was going to release that in December, and of course I didn't get that done. So the example I had started was a Christmas themed album. So you know, I did my centerpiece, and then I did some flowers at the bottom, a bow. This paper is from Shabby Art Boutique, I believe is the correct name. So anyway, so I did just a few pages. So that is what the inside looks like. This is the white piece, is obviously your jelly tote. And see the holes, guys? The holes are exactly as the front. I mean, you just, if you're going to layer them up, just take, or even just a hole punch. You can actually just repunch a hole with a hole punch. Now, a hole punch, a regular hole punch, is a little bit larger than these holes. But I am going to fill it with pictures for that we took for Christmas. And here again, this is part of the that paper collection. Oh, it is so pretty. If you've never gone to check her out, Carrie Ann is the owner. She does all the work herself. So beautiful. She's got some beautiful collections, and that's Shabby Art Boutique. And then the back one is the same. And here is the back of the mini album. So guys, this is a good size album. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. I can't wait to finish it, because I will finish it, because it's going to take pictures in there, right? And the last one is a heart bag, and you can use this two different ways. So it's got your base piece. It's got a layering piece right here with that's stitched. It's got a heart, and then on the back it's got your layering pieces. Now this big layering piece is the one that goes in front of your bag. And then the word love. The word love has 3 layers on it. I just love that. And then your layering piece for your side. There is no layering piece for the bottom because, well, obviously we don't need it. But so I made mine. You can make it a couple of different ways. And the way I made mine is with the heart piece, I cut a window, decorated the front, and these again, this is the layering piece that I showed you on the back. And the word love is inside the bag. Now the gold is the largest layering piece, and then your next one is the red one, and then of course the word love is your third one. So that, and I did put a little piece of Velcro there just to keep it closed. Like that. Now, if you don't want to, oh, and the word is laying on the negative piece of the heart that I cut out. So that's on the back. So you can still use that. So you don't have any, any waste. So I made that one, and then if you don't want to put a window on the front, I decorated the back just so you can see the layering pieces. So here is the layering piece for the one inside the main piece. That is the layering piece, which is the red. The pink one is the one on the back, and then the heart is this one right here. And those are all the pieces that I put together for you guys to see that you don't have to put the heart as a window. You can, still decorate it or, embellish your little box with just the other pieces. And there you go, guys. I just thought, I love this little bag. And here are your layering pieces for your sides. And of course, nothing for the bottom. But I just love this little bag. I really, truly do love this little bag. I think I'm going to make these for my coworkers for Valentine's Day. Guys, these come together so quickly because you just cut this out twice, do your folds, glue your tabs, and that's it. The bag is done. And then it's off to the fun part, which is embellishing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. There are the 3 January release dies, and there you go. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching.